विच सेंसेस यू आर वेरी सेंसिटिव विद, उस पे आपको कम्युनिकेशन आता है. सो देयर आर फ्यू ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स who completely give their awesome communication with intuitions. It's much easier, it seems, to train a kid because they are much present, they enjoy every moment. तो उनको किसी भी एनिमल प्लांट से कनेक्ट होना बहुत ईजी है, इट्स देयर नेचर. जब आप किसी जानवर से प्यार करते हो, उसकी जो एक नेचर है उसे भी प्रिजर्व करना ऑफ एन इंडिपेंडेंट लाइफ, कि जहाँ पे आप न हो, he still should know how to fend his life, ना कि वो दूसरे दरवाजे पे जाके भीख मांगे.
Please subscribe to our channel Talking Tales and do not forget to press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a video, you'll come to know.
So Archana, you were talking about mirroring. So please explain to us what is actually mirroring in animal communication.
To give you an example what is mirroring is, I had one of my client who approached me and said कि my dog has been very sweet towards my mother. अचानक से 2 दिन से वो काट रही है मेरी मम्मी को. काट रही in the sense not physically but she tries to grab. It's scary. So what is going on? Can you communicate? When I spoke to the dog is telling me घर वाले तो मम्मी के साथ ऐसे ही कर रहे हैं, तो मैं जो कर रही हूँ क्यों नज़र में आ रहा है. In animal communication there is a rule is you do not interpret. Okay, जो मुझे सुनने में आया, I exactly give those sentences to the client.
Okay.
Now it is up to you to interpret कि आप उसको कैसे समझ सकते हो. I said this is the sentence I heard from your dog and it's up to you. What is happening? Can you tell me? Are you behaving weird with mother? And he was like, oh freak. He's like, yes, 2-3 दिन से कुछ प्रॉब्लम चालू है मेरे लाइफ में, जिस वजह से I am being rude with my mother. मैं उनसे बहुत रूडली बात कर रहा हूँ. I am snappy at her. I said that's what is mirroring. होता क्या है, जब हम गलतियाँ करते हैं हमें नहीं दिखता, बट दूसरे करते हैं वो immediately नज़र आता है. So the dog is trying to show this is what you're doing with your mother, please change. Then the moment he realized that and he changed his attitude towards the mother, the snappy problem went away.
So Archana, in short, how does animal communication work?
Animal communication works with all our 5 senses.
Okay.
And plus there is a bonus of a 6th sense. जो actually 6th sense ही है. That's why the name 6th sense. So जो हम 5 senses हमें पता है is hearing, your viewing, देखना, smell, taste and touch, feel. And the 6th is your intuitions, gut feeling जिसे हम कहते हैं. So when I was learning this course, I had a friend, मेरी जो colleague थी, हम pair करते थे to learn few things. उसे स्मेल आता था. शी इज लाइक आई एम इनटू अ होम जिसमें बहुत सांबार बनता है. शी कैन स्मेल सांबार, शी कुड सी इडलीज, सो शी वाज स्ट्रॉन्ग विद हर स्मेल. देयर वर फ्यू फ्रेंड्स हु वुड से कि उसको जो खाना कुछ जा रहा है ना, ही इज नॉट ईटिंग. व्हाई इज ही नॉट ईटिंग? आई कैन फील बिटर टेस्ट. मेरी जीभ कड़वी हो गई है द मोमेंट आई कनेक्टेड. सो दे थ्रो फीलिंग्स ऑन यॉल. अभी वो आप एज एन इंडिविजुअल which senses you are very sensitive with, उस पे आपको communication आता है. So there are few of my friends who completely give their awesome communication with intuitions, कि मुझे ये feelings आ रही है, ये messages आ रहे हैं. When I talk about me, I can see things. जैसे वो red color मैंने बोला, it flashes. It's a flash that I can see. I can hear sentences.
Wow.
And I can intuitions भी है. And sometimes suppose if she's saying my cat is not feeling, my dog is not feeling well, when I try and connect I get twists in my places in the body and I ask उसको पेट दर्द है, is he limping, मेरा पैर जल रहा है, please check. So when they see they have a small boil या कुछ तो हुआ होता है. So these feelings are shared, but this is fraction of a second. You can't dwell into that feeling. So your attention plays a very important role. So that's how it is. So सबके experience अलग है. There is no standard format.
Okay.
So tomorrow if you learn to do animal communication and you're very strong with hearing or you're very strong with taste, maybe if he's not feeling well, yeah, what is that one thing you don't like and you feel sweet, you can say, I think your dog doesn't like anything sweet, and they're like, yeah,
Archana Naik is so and so, that's why she is able to see. Maybe Rachel Ambrose is able to smell. So how do you control the boundaries, and how you've learned to not let it affect your personal life?
Everybody has a different style of communicating. Like if I talk about me, I need to meditate. The moment I need or I go to meditate, I tell myself this is a helping case and I need to let what I see, hear, feel. So I need to tell myself what is that is expected, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, and respect that entire intention. So whatever the case, we need to say this is what it is. If and जैसे अगर आप FM frequency चलाते हो, you just do, you'll never get connected, but आप धीरे 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 then you connect the right FM, it runs nice. तो जब आप बहुत emotionally scared होते हो, you will never be able to connect. आपको बहुत vague चीज़ें आएंगी, कभी इधर कभी उधर वाली आएंगी, and you will yourself know, I don't think so I'm reaching the right message, I'm not getting the right message. So you have to be calm, you have to be present in order to communicate. It's a very beautiful process, but वो आदत से सबको आ जाता है.
Very nice.
Ulta, I remember my mentor telling me that it's very easy to teach a kid less than 5-year-old. उसको इतना ही है कि हम बोलते हैं, वो बेचारा आता है, मम्मी टॉमी ने ये किया. He can listen, he can feel, and we say टॉमी बात करता है, नहीं. He actually could listen, we have dismissed it. So हमने एक फीडिंग डाल दिया वो बच्चे के दिमाग में कि जो तुम्हें सुन रहा है ना वो वहम है, don't believe. But if you train, it's much easier, it seems, to train a kid because they are much present, they enjoy every moment. तो उनको किसी भी एनिमल प्लांट से कनेक्ट होना बहुत ईजी है, इट्स देयर नेचर. ये हम बड़े होके भूल जाते हैं.
So Archana, tell us one case of lost and found and which is very interesting.
अभी recently एक केस था wherein I got a call from my own clients' friends. They said, Archana, please help. The cat is just lost and we are not able to find out. The owner was staying, or rather, I would rather tell the word human. We don't own anybody, and this is what my mentor taught me, कि we are humans for them. We are not their owners, so I will correct my word. And then रात को I sat and I asked the cat, and I could see flashes. I distinctly could see a flash of cement concrete बना हुआ, open rods जो है iron rods खुले हुए, and then there is this off-white वाला typical नील कमल वाली chair. I told her, see, I am not able to get more information, but I saw a flash very distinctly of an under construction space. I said, तुम्हारे घर के बाजू में कुछ है क्या? She said, actually we are staying in Haji Ali, and हमारे घर के पीछे ही सीलिंग का काम चल रहा है, like just nearby. So let me go and see there. She rushed there and she sent me the exact photo of what I saw, what the cat showed me. And she said कि अर्चना नहीं है इधर. I said, see, it's a cat. वो घर का बिल्ली है जो बाहर आया है, वहाँ के एरिया के बिल्ली उसको छोड़ेंगे ही नहीं. So I said, let's still find out क्या होता है क्या नहीं. Then the next day I told her, मुझे ना एक फूल वाली दिख रही है, दो गेंदे के फूल हैंग हो रहे हैं. She's sitting up, she's not sitting down. Is there something like this? She said, अर्ची हाजी अली से वो मंदिर पास में है. She बेचारी she went there, she clicked photo, and exactly वैसे ही set up कि वो ऊपर बैठी है, she's not sitting down, and they're selling flowers. So she's like, अर्ची एक ये साइट है, एक वो साइट है. I said, see, I'm just able to share what I am getting as a picture. I am not modifying anything. When I ask your cat, yes, the cat told me he has an intention to return back. Your cat is telling me 2 days. Now what does this 2 days mean? I hope it's coming back, but I heard 2 days and she was supposed to travel somewhere. She's like, Archie, it's just me, my parents. So my parents can't run around so much, but ठीक है, whatever it is. उसने बेचारी ने CCTV कैमरा में निकाला है, देखा है, whether she's come out, gone anywhere, कुछ मिला नहीं. The third morning she messages me, Hurray Archana, the cat is back, we found him in our meter room of the society.
Wow.
And then I am like, भगवान. I said, मुझे तो फिर मेरे वहम थे. I told her I'm sorry to make you run around. She's like please don't be sorry because जैसी तुमने description दी it is close to my place so we can't disregard. और तुम्हें थोड़ी पता था कि मैं हाजी अली के यहाँ पे हूँ जहाँ पे एक तरफ मंदिर है दूसरी तरफ कंस्ट्रक्शन है. I didn't know nothing about that person. So yes, it was interesting. Finally the cat is back.
Great.
So yeah, cats have their own ways to come back home.
So Archana, being an animal communicator, what is your perspective towards their behavior or something that you would like to show light upon?
Now this is my personal response. I do not know how many of you all will like this, but I request you to just think. होता क्या है is we appreciate. I have been following your channel. I have been a subscriber. So you have been talking about everyone who takes care of all these animals and they rightfully say कि उसका देखभाल करेगा कौन, which is true, very true. But if we look at the other end, जब आप किसी जानवर का हर दिन देखभाल करते हो, क्या आप उसकी आदतें एज एन एनिमल, एक जानवर की आदत उसको तोड़ते नहीं हो कहीं? गिविंग यू एन एग्जाम्पल, अगर स्ट्रेस तो बहुत पहले से थे हमारे गांव खेड़े में, स्ट्रेस है जहाँ पे वो गांव में है बट वो जी रहा है 14 साल. हाउ ही इज अ स्कैवेंजर, राइट? वो अपना खाना खुद ढूंढता है. अगर वो आपके दरवाजे पे आए आप उसको खाना डालते हो बट वो कहीं और जाता है, वो और खाना ढूंढता है. हाँ, अभी सिटी में ये हो गया है कि सब मारते हैं उसको, विच इज़ डेफिनेटली समथिंग विच इज़ रॉन्ग. बट जब आप उसको स्कैवेंजिंग की आदत बंद करा देते हो, इट इज़ समथिंग अगेंस्ट नेचर. तो आप एक डॉग को आदत कर रहे हो कि बच्चा मैं 12:30 को खाना डालने आऊँगी और रात को खाना डालने आऊँगी. वो कुत्ता कुछ भी नहीं करता उसके अलावा. डिपेंड बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग डिपेंडेंसी क्रिएट करते हैं और हम सोचते हैं कि नहीं, आई एम fulfilling my duty as a human, which is very true, but this is just my thought which I ask myself, is it right? Because आप उस जानवर को आपकी इतनी आदत लगा देते हो कि अगर एक बिल्ली के सामने वो चूहा भी जाएगा वो नहीं खाएगा उसे. I feel जब आप किसी जानवर से प्यार करते हो, उसकी जो एक नेचर है उसे भी प्रिजर्व करना of an independent life, कि जहाँ पे आप न हो, he still should know how to fend his life, ना कि वो दूसरे दरवाजे पे जाके भीख मांगे खाने के लिए. He should know if I don't get food here, maybe मैं उस डस्टबिन के पास जाके I can live life. I don't have to go to another door और मैं वहाँ पे मार खाऊं. That's also not right. So this is something that I would know. I would love to know from all of you all, what do you think? जब भी हम जंगल में जाते हैं, आई मीन दिस इज माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, हम कोई मरा जानवर ऐसे नहीं देखते, वो एक दूसरे को खा लेते हैं. एंड दैट्स हाउ द नेचर डिकम्पोजेस थिंग्स. यहाँ पे वी सी एनिमल्स बीइंग डेड क्योंकि दूसरा कुत्ता उसको देखता ही नहीं है. इट्स जेन्युइनली, द डॉग ईट्स अनदर एनिमल, अ डेड. आप अगर बहुत वाइल्ड है, यू कैन सी ही कैन इवन ईटिंग अ कबूतर, मरे हुए बर्ड्स है, ही ईट्स दैट, दैट्स हिज फूड. हमें उसमें खराब लगने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट जब हम उनको रेडीमेड खाना देते हैं, they stop doing that. Is that the right thing? Are we then going against the nature? क्या है? I mean, this is just a question I ask myself. डर भी लगता है wherein what will people think कि आप नहीं खाना डालते, आप क्या समझते हो? But it's the question of keeping them independent. आप 14 साल कर सकते हो, मे बी आप एज्ड हो तो आप अभी कर सकते हो. अगर आप नहीं करो तब क्या? Does that dog know to fend for himself? अगर आप बिल्लियों की देखभाल करते हो, is that बिल्ली aware कि अगर मेरी जो मम्मा है आप खाना डालने आती है, उन्हें कुछ हुआ, क्या मैं भूखा मरूंगा या मुझे कहीं और एक जरिया है इंडिपेंडेंटली रहने की कि yes, I miss her, but I have a place to live. After starting with animal communication, I learned one thing is all the animals live in the present. So if you have a cat, we are stressed, हम गुस्सा करते उन्हें, चमाट भी देते कभी कभी हमारे घर के जानवरों को. The next moment आप उसको प्यार से बुलाओगे ना, वो वैसे ही अपना पूंछ हिलाते हुए आएगा. They are pure lovers, they forgive. I guess हम इंसान बहुत religious books, बहुत मंदिरों में जाते हैं, बट हम एक चीज़ नहीं सीखते, इस माफ़ करना. जो जानवर हमें सिखाता है हमारे साथ रह के कि अगर मैं तुम्हें तुम्हारी मिनटों के जो तकलीफ तुमने मुझे दी है मैं उससे तुम्हें माफ़ कर सकता हूँ, तो आप क्यों नहीं? आप तो बहुत बड़े हो ना. आई मीन यू आर अ स्पेशल एनिमल इन दिस place called earth. I guess that's something that we should all learn, is to forgive and genuinely forget in a way कि आप उसको याद भी ना रखें.
I would like to thank each and every one of you all for subscribing our channel, for liking and for commenting and for all your suggestions that you all have given us. We really appreciate all your active participation for Talkie Tales. Thank you.